If you don't like boring jobs but still want to make money, then AI is your new best friend. Let's dive into the world of AI and see how it can boost your bank account. Imagine making money while you sleep. Sounds cool, right? First, think about creating an AI-powered app. Got an idea that there's a chatbot for that? No coding skills from so no problem. Platforms like ChatGPT make it super easy. Or consider investing in AI stocks. Companies like Google and Nvidia are leaders in AI tech. Buy, hold, and watch your investment grow. Freelancing with AI tools is another great option. Use AI to write, design, or analyze data. Websites like Upwork are full of opportunities. Remember, AI is just a tool. Always your creativity and effort make the magic happen. So get started today. Unlock AI's money-making potential and watch your profits soar.